你们好 Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. We provide you free Chinese language courses. In today's lesson, we'll learn how to talk about skills. I can do this, I can do that, and so on. Okay? Before we get started, quick question from last course. How to say, when is my birthday? For example, when my birthday is on March 10th. In Chinese, we say, 我的生日是3月10号. Did you get that right? Yes? 很好. Okay, let's move on to the first part. New words, 生词. Please look at the screen. Follow me. First one. Can, be capable to. 会 Cannot, 不会 Speak, 说 Chinese, 汉语 English, 英语 Write, 写 Chinese character, 汉字 Cook meal, 做饭 and cook cuisine, 做菜 Actually, the last two, 做饭 and 做菜, they mean exactly the same thing. Yes. Now we know can, be capable to is 会. We can know how to say can speak Chinese. Can we give it a try? 会说汉语非常好 Can write Chinese characters 会写汉字 Very easy. Yes, that's the Chinese grammar. Okay, now we know can speak Chinese is 会说汉语 Can speak English 会说英语很好 You may notice that very easy. It's 会 plus one verb. Yes, it means can do. So, can cook meal in Chinese. 会做饭非常好 And can write Chinese characters. 会写汉字非常好 This is can. How about cannot? Cannot. We add one verb. 不 It's pronounced as 不 For example, 不会说汉语 Cannot speak Chinese. 不会说汉语 Cannot speak English. 不会说英语 Cannot cook meal. 不会做饭很好 Cannot write Chinese characters. 不会写汉字非常好 This is can and cannot. 会 and 不会很好 Look at the situation. 我们的朋友 Our friend Wang Hong is at the job interview to be a Chinese language teacher. Now, read the conversation and answer the question, what can she do? 她会做什么？做 to do 什么 what 她会做什么 What can she do? Now, because I know you're all very smart, so this time we'll try without English translation and then we'll see what happens, okay? Because I know you know the meaning. Follow me. 你好，请问你会说汉语吗？是的，我会说汉语和英语。很好，你会写汉字吗？我会写汉字。你会做中国菜吗？我不会做中国菜。I guess most of you already know the meaning. Okay, just in case there are several tricky words, this time with translation. 你好，请问你会说汉语吗？Can you speak Chinese? 是的， 我会说汉语和英语。Yes, I can speak Chinese and English. 很好，你会写汉字吗？ Good. Can you write Chinese characters? 我会写汉字。I can write characters. 你会做中国菜吗？ Can you cook Chinese cuisine? 中国菜。做中国菜 cook Chinese cuisine. 我不会做中国菜 I cannot cook Chinese food. Okay? So, answer the question. 他会做什么？他会做什么？ What can she do? 他会说汉语和英语，非常好。And 他会写汉字，他会写汉字，很好。他会做中国菜吗？他不会做中国菜，非常好。She cannot cook Chinese meal， 很好。Those are her skills. So, will she get the job? Why? Well, she will. Why? Because 她会说汉语和英语 and 她会写汉字，非常好 Exactly. So, her skills are those. How about your skills? What do you write on your resume? For example, I can speak what language? We say 我会说什么什么语 I can play basketball. 我会打篮球 I can drive. 我会开车 I can dance. 我会跳舞 And other skills do you have? Okay, you can leave a comment below and I'll tell you what you can do. 我会 Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and subscribe the channel. For next course, we'll talk about recent future plans. 计划. For example, where to go, what will you do tomorrow, something like that. Okay, so thanks for watching again. See you. 再见.